project, research, analysis and dissemination of ecological status and tourist image of the fisheries areas. Batak and the Radabi Mountains are some of the most beautiful and picturesque places in Bulgaria. If there is a destination worth visiting in any season of the year, it's certainly Rhodos. The territory of the Fisheries Local Action Group Higher Rhodos covers the entire administrative territory of 3 municipalities: Batak, Devon and Dоспат. Fishing area is traditionally a leading destination for fishing and sports fishing, with popular dams and iconic rivers. Fishing area High Rhodos, Batak, Devon, Dоспат is the only fishing area in the hinterland. It is a highland area with predominant altitude between 700 and 1,300 meters. The road to Dоспат is cluttered with scenic views. Wide meadows alternate with dark coniferous forests, steep cliffs and picturesque canyons. Almost everywhere there are places for recreation with a fountain and a place for campfires. The local dialect name of the city is Dospata. It comes from the 2 words dos, friend, and pata, road, friend of the road. Dоспат in the region is a preferred destination for many tourists, and it's a new way of finding friends. The municipality of Dоспат has many tourist itineraries of interest to visit in all seasons. The municipality has 8 settlements: Berudin, Brashton, Dоспат, Smitsa, Kasik, Lyupcha, Sranja and Chabur. These beautiful places attract tourists from all over the country with its natural beauty, protected areas, sites of cultural heritage, museums, as well as areas for sport fishing, ecotourism, recreation and rest. Very interesting places are the Eco Trail near the village Lyupcha, built with pavilion and sports facilities, which leads to a Roman bridge built 2nd, 3rd century. Bridge Camera over the river Cernina, which is located on the road Dоспат, Devon, next to the village Smitsa. Historical data says it was part of the route of a Roman road. Before the bridge, river Cernina spills and forms a small lake, which is a popular spot for fishing, and next to it, of course, pavilion with a fountain and barbecue. Extremely impressive is the panoramic view over Prosecco, which offers unique panoramic views of the lake, the city and the beautiful nature in the region. One of the loveliest places in the Rhodos, still retained the charm of nature and its purity, is Dоспat Dam. With its impressive size, 19 kilometers long and 3 kilometers wide, the dam is among the largest in area and capacity in Bulgaria. It's situated at 1,200 meters altitude, which makes it the pearl of the Radabi Mountains. The dam is one of the nicest, and it's a favorite place for relaxation in nature in this part of the country. With the abundance of trails and routes for trekking, hiking lovers and cyclists find their paradise. The shores of the lake are surrounded by hills and pine forests, trails and many fountains from which flows pure spring water. Numerous streams flow through the trees to the lake, thus obtain a variety of nutrients in the lake. Its location and surrounding nature creates conditions to be the perfect home for trout and a dream come true for avid fishermen. The trout is a predator that prefers to hunt and live alone, often is approaching the shore in search of food, and hung on the hook, trout fights extremely strong and attractive. Often is the winner, but the meeting with this emotional fish pleasures, even when we have lost the battle. As for the taste of its flesh, it is gentle, without unnecessary heavy breath and without floating bones. That is why it is considered as one of the most valuable. Dоспат is one place that satisfies the soul and the heart, which must be visited. Within the project, research, analysis and dissemination of ecological status and the tourism image of fisheries areas, it has been conducted research and prepared an analytical report in which the most important conclusions of fisheries areas high western Rhodes are the following. It's necessary to improve the biological composition of the water in the dam Dоспат, to limit the poaching, establishment of appropriate infrastructure for fishermen, establishment of appropriate infrastructure for tourists, introduction of fees for camping, applying a system of voluntary cleaning of the water, offering attractions for tourists,